I was making a video and my neighbor came out and she's like, "Sir, are you okay?" And I'm like, physically, yeah. Mentally, no. Alright, so as you can see, it's just a plain old BMW here. Nothing special. So what I'm doing is I am going to kind of paint the grill here. I don't know if you can see it. Here's a better angle here. I want to paint this red just to kind of make this bumper stand out a little bit, okay? Because it just looks average, you know, and nobody likes average. It's a nice bumper, but you really can't see this part here. So I'm going to try to do this and then possibly maybe do something around here like here. But as you can see, what I did is I put tape there. So I got this real cheap paint at a Walmart. I got this a touch-up paint, basically red, and it's not too bright. I don't want it too bright, but I want it to stand out a little. So we'll see how it goes. If you don't want to spend your money on this, just get your mom's or your girlfriend's or your wife's fingernail paint. That works good too. That'll stay on there for a while. Alright, so this is one coat here. As you can see, it's probably going to take about 3 or 4 coats, but first coat, so far so good. Alrighty, coat number 2, so now it's got 2 coats on. Looks okay, we're getting there. Take your time, because as you can see, I spilled some, and you don't really want to do that. But it looks kind of cool. I like this. I like it. Yeah, because let me look at it. This will look nice. I got my LED lights in there. See that? So I'm gonna do about 3 or 4 coats just to keep it, make sure it stays on there, looks good. There's no fading spots. As you can see, there are a few fading spots, and it's kind of shiny. I like this paint. It makes it look kind of shiny. I like this paint too. Cool. So it doesn't look too bad. Coat number 3 done. You want to make sure you do a good job, not like me. I was rushing and I got it all over everything. So just make sure you do a good job. You want to make it look professional. Do a professional job. And it makes your bumper stick out, stand out. You know what I mean? Look at that. Clearly see that coloring. Awesome. So remember, paint. Let the paint dry. Wait about 4 or 5 hours and let the paint dry, and make sure to stay away from dust, because you don't want to get that thing dirty. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is the final result. Looks amazing. Looks good, right?